Welcome to our channel. Today we'll take you on a peaceful journey into the world of Japanese garden design. We'll explore how traditional water features like the tsukubai and bamboo fountain can turn any space into a tranquil retreat. If you love the gentle garden water sound and want to create your own Zen escape, you're in the right place. Some tsukubai are dry, filled only after rain. Others connect to a recirculating bamboo fountain. Either way, Japanese garden design lets you decide, do you want your water feature constantly active or subtly silent most of the time, awakening only during specific moments? Incorporate stepping stones near your tsukubai. As guests approach, each step becomes part of the experience. The bamboo fountain's sound grows louder, inviting them forward. Japanese garden design uses this choreography to guide attention, with the garden water sound always leading the way. Consider the backdrop. A wooden fence or earthen wall behind your water feature can enhance the garden water sound by reflecting it. Japanese garden design often uses natural barriers to contain and project sound, giving your tsukubai and bamboo fountain more presence. Simplicity is power. A single bamboo fountain, a small tsukubai, and a few stones are enough. Japanese garden design isn't about abundance, it's about clarity. The gentle garden water sound becomes more profound when there's less to compete with it. Think of your garden as a living painting. The tsukubai is your brush stroke of stillness, the bamboo fountain, your motion line. Japanese garden design blends the static and the fluid, and the garden water sound is the audible signature of this artistry. Think of your garden as a living painting. The tsukubai is your brush stroke of stillness, the bamboo fountain, your motion line. Japanese garden design blends the static and the fluid, and the garden water sound is the audible signature of this artistry. When designing a hillside garden, use gravity to your advantage. Let water from your bamboo fountain cascade naturally into the tsukubai below. Japanese garden design uses terrain to shape the flow. The slope enhances the garden water sound and adds movement to the space. For a more natural effect, let some water spill from the tsukubai into a gravel bed below. This adds another layer to your garden water sound. Japanese garden design thrives on multi-sensory experiences. A splash, a trickle, a ripple, each adds to the soothing symphony. Traditional tsukubai setups often include a lantern. This stone element balances the water feature and introduces light. As the bamboo fountain flows nearby, the soft garden water sound mingles with the quiet stillness of stone, capturing the spirit of Japanese garden design. Over time, your tsukubai will gather moss, and the bamboo fountain may develop small splits. This aging process is celebrated in Japanese garden design. Called wabi-sabi, it honors imperfection. The water feature ages with dignity, its garden water sound deepening with memory. Let your garden change over time. Add new plants, shift the stones, adjust the bamboo fountain angle. Japanese garden design isn't static. As your life evolves, so can your water feature. The garden water sound will echo each chapter of your journey. Add visual movement. The bamboo fountains trickle, the tsukubai's gentle ripples, the shimmer of sunlight on water. These are moments that animate stillness. Japanese garden design celebrates this contrast, solid stone and fluid motion, held together by garden water sound. Experiment with echo. If your water feature is placed near a stone wall or corner, the garden water sound may bounce gently, deepening its presence. Japanese garden design often amplifies subtlety. Your tsukubai and bamboo fountain can sing more than you expect. Your tsukubai and bamboo fountain don't just enhance a garden, they change how you experience life. They remind you to slow down, listen closely, and find meaning in simple things. Japanese garden design is a daily practice in finding peace, and the garden water sound is your guide. Thank you for joining us on this 30-minute journey through Japanese garden design with water features. We hope you feel inspired to create your own tsukubai, to build a bamboo fountain, and to welcome the garden water sound into your life. Until next time, may your garden be peaceful and your spirit refreshed.